Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth from the Community Library, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use Beanstack to log your reading this summer at the Community Library. So you may have heard of Beanstack before. So Beanstack is an app that you can have on your smartphone or tablet, or also a website um, where you can log your reading for the Community Library's Summer Reading Challenge and any challenges that we have. So you can either go to the Beanstack website, which ours is communitylive.beanstack.com, or the Beanstack app. And from there, you can log your reading on your app on the go, and you can keep track of your family's reading logs all in one place. Just like with all the reading challenges we do have paper forms available at the library, but if you're interested in trying the app or website, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough just to show you how it works. But first, our summer reading program for summer of 2022 is Oceans of Possibilities. Our reading challenge starts Monday, June 6th and goes to July 30th. So first I'm going to go over the Beanstack website. So like I said, our Beanstack website is communitylive.beanstack.com. You sign in if you've used Beanstack before. You might have a username and password, or you can register for the program for the first time. So you'll enter all your information, and from there you can just start logging to earn badges and be entered to win prizes. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how Beanstack works and show you how to get started. So when you first go to our Beanstack website, it's communitylive.beanstack.com. This is what you'll find. So it has just some basic information about Oceans of Possibilities for summer 2022, and then it gives you the options on how to either create an account or sign in. I'll first go over the sign in option. So like I said, if you've used Beanstack before, you might have a username or password. If by any chance you forgot what your login information is, you can click these forgot your username, forgot your password, and if you have an email on file with us, enter your email and it will send you your information. If for whatever reason you don't have an email or anything, just give us a call at the library and we can get you set up and get your information reset. So if you are using Beanstack for the first time, we'll just kind of walk through how it works. So we want to register for an individual or family, and then it's just going to again ask if you've ever used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge. So we're going to register ourselves, and then you're just going to enter some basic information. So this is just mostly for us to keep track and to get in touch with you if you are drawn for the grand prize at the end of the summer. So I'm just going to enter my information, and just note that anything with the red star means that it's required. So we'll just get started and enter our information. Oops. And we'll create a password. Okay, and you have the option to enter your library card, but you don't have to. And then we ask for age, and this is mostly for the younger kids so they can be entered in the right reading program, but for any adults it's just 18 plus. And then we'll finish. Oh, oops. There we go. Okay, so then we finished creating the profile, but then we want to also register, or since I'm doing this before the reading challenge starts, we're going to pre-register for the summer reading program. And then it also asks which library branch you use, so it's either Salem or Twin Lakes, and then we're going to join the challenge. And we locked our first badge. Okay, and we're going going to finish, we're just going to have this account for one person. So here is the Beanstack homepage. So once you've created your account, you'll just use your username and password to log in, and then you are also able to log your reading. So this is how you're able to win prizes during the summers. Each hour you read gives you an entry into the grand prize. So to be able to log your reading, there's this green button up here that says log reading. So we're going to click that, and then we log by minutes. So it'll give you a calendar here, so you can pick which day you did your reading. We're going to click today, the 2nd, and you're also able to enter book information of author, and you can also enter how much time you spent reading. So we'll say we read it for an hour. And we'll log the reading. So from here, you are able to log your reading. Once you're all done, there's this X button up here. We just click that, and then it takes us to our homepage again. And if we wanted to see information about the challenge, we just click on the Oceans of Possibilities challenge. And from here, you can keep track of how many badges you've earned and all that good stuff. And those are the basics for using the Beanstack website. So now that we went over the Beanstack website, I'm just going to do a quick overview of how you use the Beanstack app. So like I said, this is an app you can use on your iPhone or Apple product or on Google Play, so like your Android phone. All you have to do is download the Beanstack Tracker app. Once you are on the app, it's going to ask you to find your library. So for us, we want to look for Community Library, Wisconsin. So you're going to put, you can just type in Community Library, and you want to look for Wisconsin because there's a lot of community libraries. From there, you either sign in or register, just like we did on the website, and then you're able to log your reading on the app as well. And I think it's really convenient for on-the-go kind of stuff. And that is all I had for today. Like I said, I just wanted this to be a really quick overview of how to use Beanstack. If you have any further questions about like different things that come up, or if you're having problems using it, you can always either email me or the general library's email, which is info@communitylib.org, and we will reach out to help you, or you can give us a call at either Twin Lakes or Salem. And just as a quick overview, all you have to do to use Beanstack is go to communitylib.beanstack.com or the app, and then you find the Community Library Wisconsin, sign in or register, and then you're able to log your reading to win prizes. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.